Hello, everybody. It's full moon year, and our first card is Archangel Michael. Time is moving quickly. Choose logic over emotion. There are going to be sudden changes. The Crow Spirit says co create with spirit, and this is going to bring justice and balance to mankind. Our first angel card is unlikely. They're asking us to reclaim our power, and it is unlikely if we don't rest. You'll find that you're tired, go and have a good sleep and seek relief from stress. Things are happening very fast. The energies from the full moon and that are happening, it's coming, it's fast, and it's helping us release the negativity of the past and get control of our own lives so that we can find happiness. The next angel card is let go. Life is speeding up. That's the antelope spirit. And yes, it is. Rekindle your inner childhood being. Embrace your inner child. That's how they say. And rekindle old relationships. This will give you stability inside and in the mind. We're on our way to a free, positive, beautiful future, and we're letting go of very harsh, negative, doubt, fear, um, all those kind of things that have been holding us back. Our third angel card is get information as you bring your ideas into being. Follow your own passion. You are ready for any challenges, opportunities for excitement and adventure. That's a card from Gabriel, a lovely archangel. We've been through the worst. It's time for us to reap the positive benefits of what's been going on. Things are coming in fast for us, and the universe is showering us with love and guidance and things like that. The card under the angel card is recovery, and the armadillo spirit says set healthy boundaries. And you know that that will bring you growth in all areas of your life. Trust your own self, love your own self. Anyway, please subscribe and push the like button. I love you all.